Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Seductive coming to you with an eyebrow tutorial for my beginners. So today I'm only using 3 simple products. My first is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, $3.99 at your local beauty supply store. I am using the color Toffee. I also have this e.l.f. brow pencil. Wait. Has a spoolie end and then a little other end. Got this from Walmart for like $1.99. And then I just have an angled brush. Oh, you do need one more thing. You can use either like one of these little makeup thingies. You can use a Q-tip or you can use your finger. But I think I'm just gonna use this little flat top eyeshadow buffer thingy just to clean that out. But it's your choice. So first thing I do is I brush out my eyebrows, and they are recently threaded, so I really don't have a lot of those little aggravating hairs. So for the most part it's kind of threaded real nice. So we did that. So next what I'm going to do is use this other end, this tip, and just outline the bottom of my brows, go around here, and go through the top. And at the top I'm gonna do some light, natural hair strokes at the top, just to kind of give it that little ombre effect. So here we go. And don't worry if you mess up a little bit, like that's the point of the concealer. It's going to, come on now, get me right. Conceal those mistakes. So I'm just following the natural arch of my brows. And connecting with that little tail. And just filling in, parts where I'm a little, come on, camera. This is my first time doing anything close up like this. So I guess my camera is just like, girl, what are you doing? So this is all I'm doing. Making those hairs go upward. Just like that. Okay. Then we're gonna take our concealer, dab a little bit on your hand. Bye. Just like that. Take our angled brush, dip, and we're gonna do the same thing essentially. Just outline that brow, clean it up. Take your time with this, not a race. And once you've outlined, you're basically going to drag that down. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Oh, itch. Drag it down. Drag it away from that brow. Get over here, drag, we'll go back in here. thingy comes in. Just dab here, just to clean that up. And boom, we have one eyebrow down.